Hello everybody, welcome back to today's World of Campervan. So today we are going to be putting like a little chair sort of stool thing, just somewhere else to sit, because another problem I had in the van when I was away is Mum and Dad can sit on their beds, but for me I had to go all the way up to my bed and I'd have to stay there because it's too much effort coming up and down. So I needed something in the van to sit on, you know, and there is a little bit of room still left for about a 1 foot by 1 foot little chair. So that is what I'm going to be doing today, installing a 1 foot by 1 foot chair. And yeah, I was going to do another one, as I'll explain in the video, which I might still do, but for now I'll just put one in, and it doesn't get in the way really, but it could have done with being a bit higher, but as I'll say in the video, I didn't have any stud work left really. But I think I did a pretty good job with it. It's also got a little secret flip up door in it, which I would like to make into a, you know, stand up table at some point as well, which I'll have to get one of those hinges that flips up and then locks into place, and you have to press a thing to undo it, which will be useful. Anyway, let's get on with it. So a big problem we have in the van, guys, when we stay there, is there wasn't anywhere to sit apart from on our beds, and especially for me. Dad can lay in his bed, he's in North Carolina, but easy, but for me, once I get up there, I've got to stay up there, it's so hard to get in and out. So it'd be nice to have some seating, and although most of them will probably be set aside, let's have some seating inside for the evening. So yeah, there isn't a lot of room left, is there really? But there is enough room, because what's good about Peugeot Boxter compared to like the Renault Master or whatever is it has a very wide door. And you have 4'4" of room to get in and out here. There's loads. And even with the restricted room you have, makes this bad bed being there, you still have 3'4". I'm not going to buy another sheet of OSB just to make a little chair. So we're going to have one each side, one here, one there, hopefully. So I'm going to start work on this one. I have 3 bits of stud work at 22 inches left, which is annoying. But I'm going to make it 10 inches off the ground. This is half an inch, so it's not going to be very high off the ground, but I don't want it very high off the ground. So yeah, and of course we have our cushion on top. Let's not forget about that, which is about 4 inches, 5 inches thick. So we'll be fine. So right, so they're both 12 inches away at this edge, and they're 12 inches away from each other. Obviously you need to screw into the floor, but we can't do that without a piece of wood, and this will give it side support as well. So I got a 12-inch piece of this, and then we can join it to the ground then, but once you join it to the ground there's no turning back because there's going to be holes in the thing. Right, that's perfect distance away there. First I'll screw it into the ground. I'm pretty annoyed because I can't do my original idea of screwing the support here, because this piece of trim that I put in yesterday, before I had this idea, so I can't. As you can see, I've opted for this quad support design here because you need to stick ply in each corner anyway, so we need something for the ply to be able to screw to, isn't it? Excellent, let's try and get it pretty symmetrical, you know. There's nothing to measure this against to make sure it's straight. Okay, so now we want to make our platform. This is above 20, it's 25 inches, so we should be able to make both seats. Although I don't have enough to use literally every single piece of stuff like that we've ever bought now. Crazy. How many pieces we bought. Draw a line. There goes the test. Yeah. Just enough so even a big fat ass like mine. Just enough to sit down. Obviously, yes, my knees are up a bit. I'm gonna get a bit of foam on here now. Hopefully. Alright, drawing out me one foot by 1 foot. Okay, try and cut it with a Stanley knife. Never cut foam before, so no idea how this is going to go. Didn't think the saw would be a very good idea, but it actually kind of is. It's working. It's a bit messy. So that's the colour it's supposed to be. That's right. I don't know what cover I'm going to put on it or what, I don't know. Nothing that fit that size. It's alright for a little bit, but after a while I get a bit uncomfortable with this. I've got eye protection on now, but look how scratched the lenses are. But I'd rather these lenses be scratched than mine, like you're getting sawdust in my eye. Thankfully.
Huh?
Yes, we're working on a little stool now. I've actually fixed a few things. I've made it a lot. It does need to be readjusted actually. I've made it a lot straighter. There was some sort of miscalculation in it last time that was throwing things off. I've made it a lot straighter, so we've got our two panels here and here. They would go together like that, and then we put a bit of trim there, cover up that joint, and then we have the door there. Unfortunately, we're going to have to do a top lifting hinge here because obviously we can't get to the edge of the whatever you want to call it, cupboard, seat, whatever it is. So if we put that there, then the start door, or the edge of it, will have to be there. So like that. You see, so that's not going to work. So we'll have to lifting upwards is the only way of doing it really, which is fine, it doesn't really matter. Look at this mud I have to fucking parking. Use it as a little table as well if it's strong enough. Put the sides in, so I'm going to countersink the screw in here. The reason I'm countersinking it, so that's that one in, that's slide in. Let's move on to this side now. This one is going to go alongside the here, so. It would be nice to have a hinge open this side as well, so you can open it from both sides. But I've run out of hinges and really can't afford to buy any more at the moment. I'm dead. So we'll have to do for now, maybe we can do it in the future. Okay, so that is it. That is me finished with that little chair. I think it'll be alright for Mum, but for me it's a little bit uncomfortable, but it's alright to sit there for a bit. But it needs to be a bit higher, really. So if I do make another one, I'll make it a bit higher, because I have got another bit of stud work now. I just have no patience, really. I couldn't wait. I just wanted to get on with it. It was more of an experimental thing, really, you know. That was just doing, but I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it, which was why I was worried about the liner, but it was fine, and it looks alright. I'm just going to get a pillowcase or something to cover up that foam, and it'll look alright. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.